There is something needed before treatment, which includes the hair remover, protective glasses, shaver, power adapter, gel, face cleanser, and wash clothes. Spread face cleanser on hands until there's foam and apply foam to the target area. Use a shaver to get rid of body hair on the target area. Wipe the area clean with washcloths. Put on the protective glasses. Press the power button and hold it for 2 seconds to turn on the device. Set parameters. Level 1 to Level 5 energy is recommended. Level 1 is recommended for first-time users. When they adapt, energy level can be slowly raised. Mode selection. When the device is turned on, press the flash button to choose the single-shot mode. It is suitable for small areas like fingers and upper lip. Long press the flash button for 2 seconds to choose the continuous shots mode. It is suitable for big areas like arm and leg. Continuous shots working mode is recommended. This working mode can be enabled by 2-second press of the flash button. Apply 5mm thick gel evenly to arms. Make sure the device is in full contact with skin and use the device like stamping on the target area 4 to 6 times. Press the power button for 2 seconds again to turn off the device. Wipe gel off and clean the area with washcloths. Before-after comparison. Hair remover for fingers. Set parameters. Level 1 to Level 5 energy is recommended. Level 1 is recommended for first-time users. When they adapt, energy level can be slowly raised. Single-shot working mode is recommended. Apply gel to fingers that have unwanted hair removed. Make sure the device is in full contact with skin. Use it like stamping on the target area 4 to 6 times. Press the flash button with thumb each time you want to release energy. Press the power button for 2 seconds again to turn off the device. Wipe gel off and clean the area with washcloths. The procedures for other parts of body are the same as arm. The frequency of treatment. Take 3 treatments each week for the first 1 or 2 weeks. Take 2 treatments each week for the 3rd to 5th week. After 5 weeks, you can take 1 or 2 treatments on a monthly basis. Please note, do not expose the target area to water within 6 hours after treatment and protect the skin from strong sun rays within 24 hours after treatment.